Welcome to the complete guide on IT procurement. In this video, you'll learn everything you need to know about how organizations acquire technology solutions, manage vendor relationships, and control IT spending. Whether you're starting a career in procurement or looking to understand how IT purchasing works, this comprehensive overview will cover all the essential concepts you need to know. IT procurement is the process of purchasing technology resources and services for an organization. This includes hardware like computers and servers, software licenses and applications, and IT services such as cloud computing and support. IT procurement professionals act as strategic buyers who ensure the organization gets the best value while meeting quality standards, compliance requirements, and business needs. IT procurement is crucial because technology spending is one of the largest expenses for most organizations. A well-managed procurement process can reduce costs by 15 to 30%. It also ensures that the company gets quality products and services on time, maintains security and compliance standards, and builds strong relationships with reliable vendors. Good procurement practices directly impact the organization's efficiency and bottom line. IT procurement professionals handle several critical responsibilities. They evaluate and select vendors based on quality, price, and reliability. They negotiate contracts to get the best terms and pricing. They manage the purchasing process from requisition through delivery and payment. They ensure compliance with company policies and regulations. They also track vendor performance and manage ongoing supplier relationships to ensure continuous improvement. Hardware procurement involves purchasing physical IT equipment. This includes computers, laptops, servers, storage devices, and network equipment like routers and switches. Procurement teams evaluate hardware based on performance specifications, reliability, warranty options, and total cost of ownership. They negotiate volume discounts and manage equipment lifecycle from purchase through end-of-life disposal or recycling. Software procurement deals with acquiring software licenses and applications. Organizations can choose between perpetual licenses, where you buy the software outright, subscription models, where you pay ongoing fees, or open-source software, which is free but may require support. Procurement professionals track license usage to ensure compliance, negotiate licensing terms, and manage software audits to verify the company isn't using unlicensed software. Services procurement covers IT services that organizations purchase. This includes cloud computing services like servers and storage, managed IT services where vendors handle system management, consulting services for technology planning, and support contracts for maintenance and troubleshooting. Services procurement requires careful contract management because these are ongoing relationships that directly impact business operations. The IT procurement process follows several standard steps. First, a need is identified within the organization. Then the requirements are defined and documented. Next, vendors are identified and evaluated through a competitive bidding process. A vendor is selected based on quality and price. The contract is negotiated and approved. The order is placed and tracked. Finally, the product or service is delivered, invoiced, and paid for. This structured approach ensures fairness, quality, and cost control. Effective vendor management is essential for IT procurement success. Procurement teams evaluate vendors based on financial stability, technical capabilities, delivery reliability, and customer service quality. Once a vendor is selected, performance is continuously monitored through metrics like on-time delivery, product quality, and responsiveness. Regular vendor meetings are held to address issues and identify improvement opportunities. Building strong vendor relationships leads to better pricing, priority support, and innovation. Compliance and risk management are critical aspects of IT procurement. Organizations must comply with regulations regarding data privacy, security standards, and environmental requirements. Procurement teams verify that vendors meet security certifications and data protection standards. They ensure proper licensing compliance to avoid legal penalties. They also manage risks by diversifying suppliers so the organization isn't dependent on a single vendor, and by maintaining business continuity plans in case a vendor fails. Modern IT procurement uses various tools and technology to streamline processes. Enterprise resource planning systems and procurement platforms automate requisitions and approvals. Artificial intelligence and automation handle routine tasks like invoice processing and supplier matching, freeing up professionals for strategic work. Analytics tools provide spend analysis and vendor performance dashboards. Integration tools connect procurement systems with accounting and inventory management, ensuring data flows smoothly across the organization. To summarize, IT procurement is a strategic business function that impacts organizational efficiency and cost management. Success requires balancing quality, cost, compliance, and vendor relationships across hardware, software, and IT services. Continuous learning, process improvement, and adoption of new tools are essential for career growth in this field. If you're interested in starting an IT procurement career, focus on developing strong negotiation skills, understanding technology fundamentals, and learning procurement best practices.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.